Namaste, crypto enthusiasts. I'm Satoshi Nakamoto, and this is CryptoXperts, your go-to channel for all things cryptocurrency. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. And to our loyal subscribers, thank you for your continued support, likes, comments, and shares. You are the backbone of CryptoXperts. Expand your knowledge and have a laugh with our previous videos. Check out the link in the description. Enjoy the fun and learning. Want to hear a secret? If you stick around till the end of this video, I've got a bonus cryptocurrency waiting just for you. That's right, we're not stopping at the top 5. So grab some popcorn, buckle up, and let's dive into the world of cryptocurrencies together. Trust me, this is one bonus you don't want to miss. Disclaimer. This video on top 5 cryptocurrencies for beginners is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Please conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. Invest responsibly. Today we have an exciting topic lined up for you. Top 5 for beginners, a comprehensive guide. Are you ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies? Let's get started. Cryptocurrencies have taken the financial world by storm, offering exciting opportunities for investors and enthusiasts alike. But with thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, it can be overwhelming for beginners to know where to start. That's why we're here to break it down for you. Our first pick for beginners is Bitcoin, the pioneering cryptocurrency that started it all. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, has a fascinating history. We'll explore its origins, the underlying technology called blockchain, and why it remains a solid choice for those new to the crypto space. Next up, we have Ethereum, the platform that revolutionized smart contracts and decentralized applications. Ethereum's blockchain enables developers to create their own applications and tokens. We'll delve into its potential for disrupting various industries, its unique features like Solidity programming language, and why it's considered a powerhouse in the crypto world. Our third pick, a cryptocurrency that aims to transform cross-border payments. Ripple's technology, known as the XRP ledger, has gained significant partnerships with financial institutions. We'll discuss how Ripple's utility and focus on speed and low fees are making waves in the global remittance industry. Now, let's talk about Litecoin, often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Created by Charlie Lee, a former Google engineer, Litecoin offers faster transaction times and a different mining algorithm. We'll explore its distinctive characteristics, its growing popularity among crypto enthusiasts, and why it's considered a valuable asset. Last but not least, we have Cardano, a blockchain platform focused on security, sustainability, and scalability. Cardano takes a scientific approach to blockchain development and aims to provide a more secure and inclusive infrastructure. We'll uncover its innovative approach, its unique consensus mechanism called Ouroboros, and its potential for driving real-world adoption. Now it's time for Abounds. Ethereum, the groundbreaking cryptocurrency that took the world by storm, was launched in January 2023. This innovative digital currency is set to make waves in the global market, offering exciting opportunities for investors and enthusiasts alike. With its cutting-edge technology and forward-thinking vision, Ethereum aims to revolutionize the way we transact and interact in the digital world. If you want to learn more about this game-changing cryptocurrency, simply click on the I button for more information. Get ready to embrace the future of finance with Ethereum. And there you have it, our top 6 cryptocurrencies for beginners. Each of these cryptocurrencies offers its own set of advantages and potential. But remember, always do your own research and invest responsibly. The crypto market is dynamic and it's important to stay informed. I hope you found this comprehensive guide helpful in understanding the top 5 cryptocurrencies for beginners. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and share this video with your friends and fellow crypto enthusiasts. And of course, leave us a comment below with your thoughts and any questions you may have. Your engagement drives us to keep bringing you valuable content. Thank you for being a part of CryptoXperts. Together, let's explore the exciting world of cryptocurrencies and unlock the opportunities they offer. Until next time, stay curious. J.A.I. Hind.